Hi guys. Hi girl, let me answer the thing.
Let me always say hi guys.
Alright, you go.
No, you go on.
I see she don't want to go on when she for go on, but
Just
when me I
one,
go on, she
man,
want to
just
go on.
one. And then you just want to come rain from the parade, but go on.
Well, go on guys, big up on yourself. I hope you don't see like Ty and she just love run games and...
Let me always start it though. Anyways. Well, go on people, big up on yourself.
Guys, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. We have a fun video for you today, guys. Trust me, when I say it's fun, it's fun. It's kind of late, I'm not going to say why, but it's going to be fun regardless, right? So, today, we're going to play the Newlywed game.
Newlywed game?
Newlywed game.
How long we been married? So that's what these are for? What about this man?
The guys, as I say, it's kind of late, about 13 years late, yeah? But at the Newlywed game. So here what the game I going on, guys.
I can't wait to hear.
A series of questions will be asked to Taya and myself. We have our little whiteboards here. We're gonna write our answers and we're gonna compare to see, you know, how well I know her and how well she knows me. You understand me I say? As always, you don't know PoppyShowJA, love on us straight. Subscribe to us if you haven't yet done so.
Join the membership.
And join the membership, yeah. But more importantly, well, the membership kind of important still, yeah. But thumbs up the video, guys. Thumbs it up and share it with at least somebody, one person. Yeah, just share it with at least one person. So, the Newlywed game. Honey, you ready?
I guess. I don't like to be put on the spot like this, but I guess.
Guys, if I 13 years and she's not ready, I don't know when she's ready.
If you woke up one morning and discovered your wife had turned into a chicken, what does she say you would do with it?
Oh, what?
So, if I woke up one morning and found my wife was turned into a chicken, what would I do with her?
So I have to write my answer on here?
Yeah. What do you think I would do with you if I woke up and you turned into a chicken?
Why should I come up with them questions? Oh, this I'm not for doing Newlywed.
Alright.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. How will you write? So I wrote eat my breast. Breast man. So I know if I'm turning that chicken right now, I'll be a yamins.
Well, it's kind of similar still, come
What
say.
you write? Pluck her and have stewed chicken. Really, Annie? You just pluck me and cook me?
And I threw a chicken breast alone I eat, so regardless.
Oh,
Yeah, you see what I say?
that's not bad.
Yeah, so I guess we know each other somewhat. But just explain mine a little more, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Alright, next question.
Lately, my husband has been all talk and no action when it comes to blank.
Maybe my husband has been what?
All talk and no action when it comes to blank.
All talk, no action when it comes to blank.
All talk, no action when it comes to... That don't mean guys, because me are all action, you know. Me not the talking thing, you know. So, the one you kind of stick, you see me? Yeah, because Poppy not have too much talking thing. Anything me say,
All talk, no
action the back of it, you know what I mean? So, all talk, no action when it comes to...
My husband is all
Hold on.
talk and no action when it comes to this.
Wow. You know, some really know.
Oh, you thought you had it like that, huh?
Yeah, but I know say you're wrong, so you know where you just gonna make up something,
No,
guys.
it's not.
Alright.
I like this game actually.
Alright, ready?
Yes. Are you ready to reveal?
Mm-hmm.
So, all talk and no action when it comes to frequent vacations.
Frequent vacations.
Yes, we talk about traveling and doing stuff, and him just always find all sorts of excuses. Him not like going to play no more.
Oh, sorry guys. Getting my blood work done.
All talk, no action.
Yeah, because I'm supposed to get my blood work done for the longest while, and
Well, that's true, but also I've been telling you we need to travel more, and he knows I'm not a planner, guys. So him knows enough to leave those things to me.
Tayana
But
not know when they
still
come and
he
tell
ain't
something.
doing anything.
she all
Look,
talk.
all the ideas and everything. Nah, make no move. So that's something you need to work on, sir.
Okay. All right.
Even though I married my wife, I still think my old girlfriend has the edge when it comes to what?
Even though I married my wife, I still think my old girlfriend has the edge when it comes on to.
Ain't a girlfriend have no edge over me?
Maybe write your answer. How you know that?
The girlfriend have no edge over me.
Alright, so even though I married my wife, I still think
Question this.
my old girlfriend. I have to think carefully about that one.
Try think carefully, that's all, may I tell you.
Um,
Girlfriend, ex-girlfriend, wife. Think carefully.
my girlfriend has the edge when it comes on to.
Who write these questions?
It comes on to. It comes on.
No,
to,
me not say no comparison with me and none of your ex them. I don't care what you
What
want
on
to
it?
say.
Say that right?
Me don't know if you're right, because me can't think of one God almighty thing when none of your ex them have over this girl here.
Guys, the truth I enough when I talk about my ex-feminist. Her headspace not too capable of handling them kind of conversation. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we talk about exes, so quit.
So oh, you don't know, like some things that my ex them used to do where probably you not do.
You don't marry them? Ain't that right, guys? I'm gonna be Mrs. Powell, right?
So even though I married my wife, I still think my last girlfriend has the edge when it comes on to what I cannot take it for you guys. Has the edge when it comes on to. You ready, Joseph?
Yep.
Alright, ready, where are you?
Nothing.
Nothing less jealous. Yeah, my last girlfriend, she never jealous. It was almost like say she probably never ever cared.
So she lets us me more jealous? Guys, who never said me more jealous? Who never said jealous? Who never see me show no jealous sign yet, guys? Come on, talk
good
truth.
point. Who not say she show none? Who not say she show none?
Okay, I have family members on here, I have friends on here. Who know me I talk to?
But
Who never see no sign of jealousy? Palataya? Tell me now. Come on now. Talk truth.
Comment section.
Talk truth. No jealousy around here.
If a TV crew sneaked into your bedroom and recorded your last romantic encounter, would they have called it the 60-second workout, Pee-wee's Playhouse, or Ripley's Believe It or Not?
Woo. So hold on there. It's a talk about me or you?
What am I gonna call it? You have to tell.
If the two away, if a TV
Crew,
cast in there, I would just did it.
Yeah, and them recorders doing it. What would they title it? 60-second workout, Pee-wee's Playhouse, or
What is Pee-wee's Playhouse?
like a joke thing, man, you know what I mean? Cartoon thing, you know what I'm saying? Or Ripley's Believe It or Not. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
60 seconds, guys. 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Did somebody say 60 seconds?
Honey.
60 seconds.
She not understand the
60
question.
seconds. 60 seconds. Oh, you're right.
She really don't understand the question, guys.
This must replace not. I don't believe. This a replace
Guys,
not. Erase the believe.
She don't understand the question.
Erase the believe.
60 seconds.
Replace not. 60 seconds, guys.
Guys, she don't understand the question.
60 seconds, guys. But me not complain. I'm gonna tell you when the 60 seconds come in handy, guys.
She has 60
The
seconds.
60 seconds are pretty much like, you know, me I'm worried the next day.
She
You know,
want
and it
that,
knows
guys.
me just want a real quickie.
She want that, guys.
But other from that,
I know 60 seconds not going
other
on.
from that, guys, I replace believe it or not. But the nights there when we say, you know, girl have to get up early and thing, 60 seconds. And I'm okay with that.
Guys, that she want.
But I'm okay with it though.
If you and your wife only spoke body language on your very first date together, this is your first date together, What will she say her body spent most of the date saying to your body?
So if we only spoke body language on our first date together, body language.
First day?
Yeah, first date.
Oh, first date?
What would I say your body was saying to my body?
I remember my first date very well.
Is a book? Oh guys, come like it's a essay, yeah, right?
Okay.
Okay.
You want first.
No, we're turned over together. Ready?
1, 2, 3. You can read my one on the class that.
I can't. Well, mine says, let's get it on.
Okay, mine reads, I can't wait for his tongue to lick my lips. Actually, not lie.
Guys,
A real thing.
hashtag freaky.
No, but a real thing though. Like, our first date, me not lie. I was looking forward. That's exactly what my body language was reading to your body language.
Excuse me, my darling.
I know that.
Erase your board.
But more like say, you know.
My body language did I say, you know, let's get it on. Or that's what I thought her body language was saying. But
You're boring, sir. You know, say you're boring. No, sir.
you're freaky, sir. You know, so you're freaky.
You know some freaky from there once, and nobody come go on.
Okay.
Lately in the romance department, has your husband been behaving more like a minute man, a second-hand man, or a longshoreman?
But this could be like a question, repeat. Could be answer that got change. I went say 1 minute.
Ready?
Yep. 1 minute. Longshoreman.
I just say long me work. I don't know what is a shoreman, but
1 minute, guys.
the long.
Me get all right about now. Me don't have no time for you to know long shore or long sea or long none of that. 1 minute, the girl good.
Guys, I don't know about I feel like saying me at the 1 minute man. The 1 minute woman, it's another guy. 1 minute woman.
1 minute, guys. Come on now. We don't have time for nobody to act with body. No. That's when women just stay home and not have to go to work. When you have to go to work and do other things and whatever.
Come get her, guys.
No, we don't have time for that.
I wish my wife would pay more attention to blank and pay less attention to what?
I wish my wife would pay more attention to blank and less attention to what? Okay. More attention to and less attention to. So you're going to say what me would have said, you know? And me I said that, you know? So what you think me would have write?
I think you just say you want me to pay more attention to.
Blank, yeah. And pay less attention to.
Alright.
Ready? I wish my wife would pay more attention to me and less attention to.
I have TikTok! I have TikTok too! So I put that you say that you wish, where you go?
You would pay more attention to.
Your sex drive.
Well, that you guys, yeah, me is the politically
And less attention to TikTok.
kids-friendly version of the sex drive, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Oh my god, really?
Me
We're
equal.
up against TikTok.
Me equal. And less attention to the TikTok.
So you're
guys.
saying that TikTok takes over your... Really?
Guys, and that she has said, yes, what she write. So me don't have to answer that. She write it too, right? Exactly.
Because you always talk about it.
Will your husband say that his last girlfriend was the kind of a girl you pick up at a museum, at a bowling alley, or on a street corner?
So would I say my last girlfriend is the kind of girl you would pick up at a museum, a bowling alley, or on the street corner? Ready?
And this is your ex? Or just
My last girlfriend, yeah.
your last girlfriend?
Would be the kind of girl I would pick up at a museum bowling alley around the street corner. Ready? Okay. I would say
Street corner.
street corner. Guys, none of my woman them. If we have picked them up on street corner, then probably I wait for a cab or something.
Alright, I was just joking on this one, guys.
Guys.
You know I'm not gonna just take up a girl on the street
No
corner.
street corner to my thing. You understand?
Maybe if it was, maybe when he was younger, maybe, I don't know, long before I meet
But I not
him.
pick her up on the street corner. If I pick her up on the
But-
street corner, I carry her right back on the street corner.
But the person that I met would have done that. So I'm going to say, this was just, just kidding on this one. So I'm going to say maybe the museum. What did you write on yours?
Bowling alley. Meaning say,
Bowling alley?
yeah, meaning say them have a vibes to them, you know what I mean? Them are not just
Yeah.
boring in a museum. You get me?
The biggest similarity between my wife and my last girlfriend is blank. And the biggest difference is what?
The biggest similarities with my wife and my last girlfriend is blank. And the biggest difference is what? A pure ex-girlfriend come out. This is something I want to get a divorce in Nigeria.
Trust me.
So the biggest similarities with my ex and you is what? And the biggest difference is what? So the biggest similarity I think would be,
Similarities.
the biggest similarity would that be,
No, sir.
alright, ready? So the biggest similarities between my wife and my ex is, and the biggest difference is, what you have?
Okay, so for similarity, I chose goal-oriented.
So the biggest similarity is that you're both goal-oriented?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and what's the biggest difference?
The biggest difference, I'm more beautiful.
Share a point. That's all. The biggest similarity for me is that they can't get enough of me. Both of them have that in common. They can't get enough of me.
But she not no more, so...
But at the time, while we were together, you know what I mean? That's
so
the
me can't get
similarity.
enough of you? Oh, you know that?
Probably
Maybe I'm gonna tell her that.
that's the difference. And the difference is the ex likes more than 1 minute. You can't argue with
Wow. Okay.
Woo! Guys, that one that funny. That one that hit a nerve, guys.
That's funny for who? Who that's funny for? Cause that's not funny for me.
Guys, the one that hit a nerve.
So what are you trying to say?
I don't mean you're trying to say she said, guys, that she has said she have work tomorrow.
That's the
and-
only woman I've worked though. So you could tell about ex.
Okay.
No.
When the
No,
ex
no, 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 no.
when the ex have work, she still want more than 1 minute. Let me change it. When the ex have work, she still want more than 1 minute. Better?
No.
Next question.
No, I'm not ready for move on to the next question. So you're trying to say that
She like more than 1
she
minute.
like
Yeah. What?
so the 1 and 2 time where
I want to
Never
do that.
go work
I want
and
to do that.
whatever.
Go work. Eh?
are you complaining?
No, I'm
Does
not.
it sound like you're complaining now? Spit it out. Are you complaining?
The thing ask me a question and I answer the question. That's the biggest difference. You have a problem?
No, I'm just glad to we're not newlyweds because if we were newlyweds,
Let's
trust
send me right back to
me, I
her.
just tell if you go along back to her.
Woo! Next question.
Do more of your wife's body parts need to be deflated, inflated, or renovated?
So do more of my wife's body part needs to be inflated, deflated, or renovated? What do you say? What do you think me gonna say? Me gonna say, alright guys, it's honest. Because you see me now. Alright. What you say, right now man?
Me not like that the question.
Do more of my wife's body part needs to be inflated, deflated, or renovated? Right now man?
Me not like the question. I don't like this question.
Ready?
No.
Alright.
I'm trying your best.
Wow. Wow. Try my best one. Ready, set, go.
Inflated.
Inflated. Guys, she love my fatty. You get me?
Guys,
She knows that's not a problem for me,
this
guys.
dude over here, he's obsessed.
Guys,
Trust me, if
My-
I put on 20 pounds right now, Poppy are the happiest man pan Godland. Talk truth.
me not in
I
woman
don't
to
know
go
what
to
it is
the
about
gym
Jamaican
and all
men,
these
why
kind of
they
things.
love them fatty
And I
so.
mean, don't get me wrong, in the right places, you know what I mean? We don't want to have to go roll. Fat is not my problem. Believe me, guys.
Guys, all 11 o'clock at night, only ask me if I want something to eat. Just because he want me to put on weight.
Yes, guys. Inflated the things are right now, guys. You understand? But as we
Why you
say,
never did just marry one fatty though? That's what I'm saying. Why you never did just marry a fatty?
no, I'm say whatever,
Because
but
when you met me, I wasn't even this big. I was way smaller.
no, guys. I lie. Me not still try losing any weight and gaining any weight from the time me meet her.
I wasn't this big when we met.
Well,
I was
maybe
slimmer.
I was slimmer too, so maybe we get big together, so it's not really sure. You know what I mean? No, I'm fatty right here. What I'm saying is, guys, if she gain any weight, it's not a problem for me. Me not worry about weight. Weight or not, that's not an issue for me.
Guys, I know if he wants me to gain weight. And that was 2 pounds. He want me to gain 20, 30, 40
If
pounds.
she gain
guys.
weight, it is not a problem. You know what I mean? I'm not that guy.
I think you're just obsessed.
Obsessed with my
You're a bit fat.
But guys, we know we're not gonna love the one as I always do. Leave us a comment,
It was
right?
fun.
Let us know what you thought about this video. And thumbs it up, guys. Please thumbs it up and share it with at least one more person, okay? And as always, you don't know PoppyShowJA love on us straight. Big up on yourself, alright?
Big up on yourself.
Extra.
You're lucky to say we're not Newlywed, but that may tell you. Bye guys.